Hello, I'm Ray Monk with Monk's Tree Service. I have been in the Cumming area for 25 years cutting trees. I have my foreman and climber has been climbing trees for 30 years, taking trees down. He is one of the best in the county and in the state as far as I'm concerned. We've been working together for 10 years. In 10 years, the biggest mistake we have made, to be honest with you, is knocking a rail off a deck and cracking one driveway. Is all we have done in 25 years. There is a little bit of luck in tree cutting. You don't have to think it's all skill, but it's 90% skill. As long as you know what you're doing, you've been doing it for a long time, it is easy enough to make a tree fall where you want it to fall.